Good afternoon, everyone. Let me start with a question. What is the sum of our classmates have to choose between attending class and caring of their children? That if that choice is what prevent them from the graduate or reaching their full potential. Now imagine this. What if your college offered an affordable, flexible childcare center right here on the campus? On that allowed student parents to focus on learning, success in their students' studies, and balance family without constant worry. What's that I want to talk about today? My name is Rosanna, and I'm not just a student. I have a family. I understand firsthand and how to difficult it can to be juggle coursework, family responsibilities, and work obligations. It's challenging, exhausting, sometimes disgusting. But I pursue my degree because I know education is the key to the better future for my family. I also know that many other students face the same struggle. Today, I want to pursue our college needs to extend on campus childcare services. Providing accessible, flexible childcare would allow student parents to thrive academically while ensuring their children are safe and cared for. Let's start with the problem. Over 20% of college students in US are parents. That's over 4 million individuals. Uh, Let most campuses, including ours, don't provide adequate resources to support them. Many student parents lack family nearby to help, work full-time jobs, and try to manage childcare along with class schedules and assignments. Then exam or requirement classes conflict with childcare hours. Parents often have no choice but to daily graduate or even drop out. I have experienced this myself. Last semester, a required course was scheduled during the only time my child could be cared for. I couldn't afford extra childcare or hire a part time sister for just a few hours. The result, I had to postpone and the class and push back my graduate timeline. I'm not alone. This happens silently for countless students every semester. This isn't simply about scheduling, it's about equity. Student parents face systemic barriers that prevent them from the fully accessing education. Expanding childcare services isn't luxury, it's necessary to ensure fairness and equal opportunity. Now consider the benefits. Camp, Campuses that offer childcare see higher renunciation and graduation rates among student parents. When parents know their children are safe and nearby, they can focus on class, study late, practice in the clubs, and fully engage in the college experience. Childcare programs also support early learning, promoting social, emotional, and cognitive development for the children. It's a win win. One program benefits both their students and their child. There are real practice solutions that our college can implement. Pilot part time childcare during midterm, and final. Offer drop-in care of the evening classes. Partner with the local childcare providers for discounting rates. Apply for grants like a CCAMPIC program found on the campus childcare services. This is not just an issue for parents. Supporting student parents strengthens our campus as a whole. It promotes inclusively, boosts enrollment and retention, and prepares a more diverse and capable group of graduates. Let me speak from the experience. I have studied for exam while helping the homework and preparing meals. I've attended virtual literature while keeping an eye on my child. I've sacrificed sleep and personal time, but I continuing because education matters not just for me, but for my family. We don't need piety. We not need a pleasure. We need policy and programs that give students, parents a fair chance to success. With your support, facility admissions, and peers, we can make a difference. We can create a college where parents don't have drop out to care for their children, where children isn't a barrier, and where all students have their opportunity to achieve their goals. Let's be the generation that support education for everyone, regardless of family responsibilities. Let's expand on campus childcare, reduce drops out rates, and ensure equity for student parents. Thank you.